What I really loved today was just how government and industry are working together so well, discussing the problems experienced in New South Wales and some of the options to focus on to solve those problems.
I really enjoyed having the opportunity to have the government stakeholders in the room. It was good to sit down with New South Wales Health and the other departments to understand what they're actually dealing with as a problem.
I think the highlight of today was the opportunity to get in front of so many people that are so invested in seeing this project succeed. Everyone from industry, everyone from academia, and of course everyone from the government that we were able to talk to and really understand their problems.
The issues that Surf Lifesaving has encountered about communications and innovation and network planning are similar problems to a lot of other agencies within the group that was here today.
There's an identification that there's a need to look into connectivity requirements, or that there is a need for connectivity between multiple agencies and industry, and that there was such a good turnout today.
I think some of the key highlights were seeing all the different agencies and industry representatives sharing a common goal and a common objective, and there's pretty unique ways about what exactly the priorities were and the urgencies were, and different ways that we could actually achieve them. So particularly about data sharing, the importance of data. We have so much data everywhere in our lives. How can we actually ensure that we're using them where we need, and we can use that data and make really good informed decisions going forward?